Welcome to PDAC 2023. My name is Julian DeRosier from the IIF. I am joined here today by Peter van Alphen. Peter, hi, how are you doing?
Very good, thank you, and yourself?
Very good, thank you. Maybe first of all, if you can present yourself and the company you're working for.
So my name is Peter van Alphen, and I'm with Nuvau Minerals. And we're a privately held company that has just started recently working in the province of Quebec in Canada.
That sounds pretty exciting. I come from Quebec, basically, so that's very easy for me to understand where it is. But more important, what kind of commodities are you looking at? What kind of licenses do you have in Quebec?
So we're primarily looking at base metals, zinc and copper, essentially. And we have just recently, or a year ago, taken over the Matagami mining camp from Glencore.
Okay, and then so you're very early stage, as I understand, since you're privately owned, or exactly where are you at in the exploration phase?
Well, it's an interesting property because this is a historic mining camp. There's been 12 mines on the property, 60 years of mining, and we've got a very, very large land package, over 1,250 square kilometers. And so we're actually in early exploration. We're in exploration with sort of more advanced projects. We are busy with resources on some of the deposits, as well as we've got access to a processing facility. So we kind of all the way from early stage exploration all the way through to near-term production.
Okay, well, this sounds pretty exciting. So basically, are you fully funded at the current moment? Are you looking for more investors? Why are you at PDAC this year?
Well, we'll never say no to more good investors, but we are well funded. We have just closed a round of financing now where we raised just over 9 million, and that's 9 million Canadian. And so we are well funded for the rest of 2023, and we'll be looking, if things go well, we'll be looking to go public by the middle of 2023 is the objective.
Okay, and in that, would you be going public just before investment decision for production? Would you be going at which state exactly would you want to time your entry in the stock market?
Good question. At this point, it's most likely to complete our agreement with Glencore is an earning agreement where we'll spend $30 million over 3 years. And so we'll be looking most likely to raise the additional exploration money, continue working on that. We will complete the earning agreement is completed in March of 2025. And so we'll be looking to raise funds for that, but also, to start looking at permitting, the funding for permitting, the funding for advanced engineering on some of the near-term resources that we've got. And so really it will be a bit of both, to fund the ongoing exploration and then also to fund the potential of near-term resources or near-term production from the property as well.
Okay, so you will be proposing basically investors at that moment a de-risk project, advanced exploration, brownfield exploration, already past producing mines in Quebec Tier 1 jurisdiction. Yep. Well, this sounds pretty exciting. So for people who want to follow your story, how can they do that?
Well, we've just launched our website, so go to our website at nuvauminerals.com, and there's contact details there for all of us. We're a small team, but we've got an exciting story. We've got an extremely large land package in the Abitibi. We are we haven't even spoken about the gold opportunities on the property that have never been really explored for. And so it's an incredible story, as you say. It's in Quebec, it's in the Abitibi. We've got known resources, and as a lot of wise people will say, if you want to find an ore body, look in the shadow of a head frame. And so that's what we're doing.
Well, one thing is sure, the project sounds exciting. Sounds like there's a lot of information to obtain out there. I invite people to go on their website, check the information, write them directly, follow the story, and then obviously we'll be looking forward to your IPO when you come, or RTO, or the way it's going to take up in a few months from now. So Peter, thank you very much for your time, and we'll be happy, as I said, to follow the story.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.